guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow ring or glow border on CapCut PC. So select your color of choice. I'm just going to select this color, and then I'm just going to add it till the end of the video. Then I'm going to select mask, and I'm going to select the circle bit, and I'm going to feather that out just a little bit. Once you're done with that, right click, create compound clip, and then select circle again or any shape you want. Select reverse, and I'm just going to scale it up. Also, sorry about my voice, don't know what just happened. Scale it up, and you can feather it out again if you'd like to, but just only a little bit. Actually, do not like it feathered out in the circle, but as you can see, it creates this kind of a glow, and you can just add it to your videos and stuff like that if you'd like to. If you'd like to make it more glowy, I suggest you just adding some effects on it, like the edge glow one, but it will be applied to the video. If you don't want that to happen, you do have to like export it first on its own, I guess. As you can see, it creates this like kind of like ring glow. Let me just adjust the glow on it a little bit. Okay, look, as you can see, if I adjusted the glow, it has more glow and stuff like that. But here's how you can like create your own glow, I guess. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!